Hello everyone, it's Brian with RV Travel 6. Today we have a sponsored video. I say that because we have a product review and we didn't buy the product. So Human Friendly was actually reached out to us and asked if we could do a product review for them. And so they sent us some free bags. They just wanted a true review over what their product was like for us and if we found it beneficial or if we didn't. Here we are. But anyway, so what do we have? So we actually received 3 nylon bags. There's 3 different ones. There's one for your electrical line. We got one for the freshwater, and then we also have one for our black. And so, as y'all know, we drive a diesel pusher, and our hose reel is actually installed inside. So we don't actually have electrical line per se to throw it in here. So we use it for other stuff as far as electrical. As far as the freshwater is also on a hose reel, but as you can see, I carry about 4 or 5 extra hoses. There's about it's about 50 foot on the hose reel. And I also have another 50-foot section. It's a collapsible, and then some other freshwater, and then our heated hose as well. And so, as you know, that takes up space, and it can get a little bulky throwing in these tubs. So that's been a great advantage of these bags. And as far as the black, I do have a black water hose, but it's fairly small, and so I don't really throw it in the bag. But I found it very useful for our sewer hoses. And so I do carry 20 foot of the black rhino, and that's very bulky. But I also have some extra hoses that we use. There's been times I needed 30 foot, and then also have some extra hoses for our blue boy. So it's been very useful to have a bag for that. And then when I need it, I just pull the bag out instead of having to go through this tote trying to find what I need. And then it's real easy to toss around to where this you can't put a lid on it. So not all this will fit in there. I'll show you how much it actually does during the demonstration. I'm going to actually put all this stuff in my bags, the nylon bags. But the only reason I didn't have them in there from the start, I wanted to show you, demonstrate me putting them in and how easy it is. And also I wanted to show you the durability. And so these are just nylon bags. They do have just the plastic bottoms in them, so they're waterproof. They're not going to soak through. And if they do happen to get water in them, the nylon sides, the water can actually run out of it. And there's actual straps on this. So you actually have hooks under your underbelly or in your compartment. You can actually slide that on there. And then they do have labels, so kind of a quick grab. If you had all these in the same place, you can look at the label and see what they actually are. Which we don't have electrical, but leaving the tag on, it's not that big of a deal. I can kind of see what's in there, where they're actually placed. So let's go ahead and get these things put in the bags and see what you think. So as you can see, it was real easy to pack these 2 bins into these 3 bags. If I didn't have that last section of sewer hose, I wouldn't even need that one. Of course, they sent all 3. The way they sell these things, you can buy them as individual, or you can actually buy them as a 3-pack, and this just happened to be one of the 3-packs that they sent out to us for us to review. So you'll actually get one with a tag per, to where if you buy one individual, you'll actually get all 3 tags with the 1 bag. So they're very durable. I do find them very useful. They will last a long time, and so I'm happy they sent them to me. So it really freed up some space for me, and I get to share this information with you. So If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave those down below. I do have a link down in the description to purchase these. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you want to continue to see more content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Until next time.